Ladies and gentlemen, come gather round, come gather round, come gather around. Today, we're going to change hatch struts or lift struts. Lift supports for the hatch on this 2010 Hyundai Accent. Let's go! So these are super easy to replace. Over time, they do less and less an adequate job of lifting the hatch, and in this case, they didn't always go all the way up, and especially when it was really cold outside. So I find it's dodgy. You just need a flat blade screwdriver, probably smaller than this one. It's a ball and socket arrangement with a clip that kind of pinches the ball to keep the socket from popping off. So I did this side with my medium-sized screwdriver and immediately regretted it. But I'm going to move on to a smaller screwdriver to put it back together just because it's a little bit easier. There are grooves already in here to help you pop a screwdriver through there. Takes the little clip off. I debated putting it in through the other way. That thing is snapped on that quick and that easy. There is actually a certain way these supports have to be installed. They will physically go either way. You want to have the shaft end down so that gravity keeps the hydraulic fluid against the seal in the majority of the driving around that you're doing, which is with the hatch closed, typically. That's it. So much better. So, you learned how to change hatch lift supports with a screwdriver. Thanks for watching. Take care.